dose of nature. Let's do it. We are in Hurricane Mountain Wilderness. Going in for an overnight. We're gonna go up over the Soda Range here. Go down over West End to Lost Pond. Don't know where we're setting up camp yet, but we're thinking somewhere in here. And then go hike up Hurricane. Enjoy some nature. Let's do it. Off to the Crows. View going up the Crows. I can see Dix. First glimpse of Hurricane, you can see the fire tower way in the distance. Stopped and consulted the map, almost kept going, maybe a direction. I don't know, we don't know if we really intended to hit Little Crow or not, but we summited Big Crow. And the inconsistencies between Ed's map and my map almost misled us. So we're gonna go back. We're doing a lot of poking around the summit. Second guessing if we missed a herd path or not. But we got all the time in the world, so ain't no thing. So we had to rely on technology. I'm not bashful or shy about it. We're all turned around up here, all backwards. So we just said screw it. We hunted around for a herd path for 20 minutes or so. And said screw it. We can see the ridge that we're going for, so we're just gonna cut through the woods. Plus maybe we'll find something cool, like a dead body or something. Hey, look what we found. See how that works out? Look at that. I'm not going backwards. What's that? Still really curious where the turnoff is. The near side of Big Crow, or we're supposed to go over it? A mystery to be solved another day. Now we're at the herd path.
The mystery will not be saved for another day.
We found it! We found it as we came back down the other side. Apparently our heads were looking down as we came up this portion of the trail to Big Crow, as you see here. We did find a herd path after we bushwhacked, but we took it the wrong direction. Look at that marsh down there. Nice. Up we go.
Glad we weren't here when this came down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh man, this breeze. You don't think that's it? This looks a little weathered. Not so sure about this either.
Dead end.
Yeah, look at that, there's a little disc there. Here's the disc. For you, Prybar, all the shit I give you for your boots coming untied, it happens to the best of us. Get it, Ed. Look at that wetland down there. That's awesome. That's Jay, I think. Yeah, I think that's Jay Mountain.
Okay.
Coming down off Weston. Looks like you're on the right path. Yeah, doesn't feel like it, does it? Maybe further back. There you go. Oh, we're at the lean-to. Night of south winds, night of the large few stars. Still nodding night. What moon is here? Keller, back from the dead.
Oh, I'm glad to hear he's back at it.
Yeah. Ryan and Wooly enjoyed an evening of quiet beers and puppy farts. There's Lost Pond. Yeah, this is pretty low. Still a bit mucky. This will clog the filter right up.
From the brown color I'm seeing is coming from the...
Oh, it's normal, yeah. That's how you know you're getting Adirondacks in your body.
It's that ADK.
That's right. I know I usually concentrate my fascination on burls, but boy, you gotta check out these mushrooms. Little mushroom city here. Yeah, look at them. Just look at them, would you? Yeah. Look at them. Yeah. Just look at them, would you? Alright, we found our tent site for the night. Nothing against lean-tos, but we just felt like tenting it, and so that's what we're gonna do. Camp is established. Little sleeping quarters under the good old yellow birch. Got a nice little fire ring, set up a bench, food's hung. Time to go after hurricane. Off to hurricane! On our way up hurricane. What do you think, about 20, 30 people pass us? 20? Yeah. So maybe we'll have the place to ourselves. To the tower.
Crushed it.
Crushing it. Hey, pup. Feels like going up haystack right here.
Come on, man.
You're on video.
Oh, am I?
Hello. How are you? Good. Rolling, rolling.
Crushing it, Jen.
We have arrived back home at camp. Let's take a little break, then do some chores. Gather firewood, wash up a little bit. Don't be an asshole and poop in the campsite without burying it. Because then other humans have to bury another human's poo-poo. It's kind of gross. That's a fresh turd. Oh yeah, here's the tour relative to our campsite. There you go. Love, you know it's true. Ooh, 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 I love you.
Millie by Millie.
Yeah. The creature stirs.
What's up, dude?
Morning. Top of the morning to ya.
Top of the morning to you.
Good morning, Mr. Blue Jay. Would you like some coffee?
Fuck you. Fuck you.
That concludes our trip. Awesome day spent in the woods, beautiful weather, beautiful people.